have you heard of any districts that you would admire or look after, have colleagues in that are using AI to kind of better manage your time, better manage compliance, better manage communication?
Right. No, I haven't, but
Yeah, that's fine.
you kind of struck a nerve when you
Yeah.
said time management and almost better use of our time. If you ask a case manager in special education, I've got a good friend. He is a Jedi when it comes to IEP production and compliance, everything. He's so good.
Yeah.
If you said to him, "Hey, listen, I'm going to need you to go to this training," he's going to be like, "What?
Yeah.
For
yeah,
what now?
They'll be
What are you asking me for?"
Right.
And he's gonna go, "How about you got to give me a day for me to go learn this? How about you give me a day to finish my paperwork?"
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, no, and that's an important hurdle to get over.
Funny.
Is how to blast through that perception that, reticence to using or leaning in on AI because the fear is that it's going to make more work for me, when potentially on the back end of that, I loved what you said earlier about sort of the Sunday scaries, which is I've got
that's
this
a real thing.
when I know that I've been having a great time all weekend, and now I've got to go in on Monday and face the shit. And if AI could reduce the Sunday scaries, really that's what it comes down to, right? Like knowing that I've got support where I didn't have it before.
Right.
It's almost like the AI has to come to me, is what I hear you saying. Like if I'm saying I don't have enough time, to do all the paperwork and manage the kids, I don't have, there's breakdowns in communication and it falls on my lap. So that takes me further away from being with the kids. What I almost heard you saying in all of that is, I want to be with the kids more. I want to support the kids more. I want to do what I was trained to do. And so maybe the challenge that we're identifying in this conversation is, how can AI support, but also be invisible, so that I don't have to, I don't have to be trained. I don't really have to be trained on it too much.
I love that. Can you guys sense the PTSD in my voice when you guys were saying that?
Absolutely. I mean,
that's a real thing.
Yeah, it's a real thing, and it's a triggering thing that happens whether it's special ed or not. It's like, why do I have to go and learn a bunch of new things when I don't fully understand it yet?
Right when you understand it, they change it.
Right.
It would almost be yearly to every other year. I've been so lucky. The past two department chairs that we have at Corona del Sol have just been amazing. And it's funny because they'll posture and they'll say, "Hey, everybody, we're going to be doing this and we're going to be doing that." And then they have this like sly little, one more thing that we have to change. And you're like, "Oh, her tone just changed."
Boy, here we go.
And then all of a sudden you see people start shuffling in their chair, like, "Oh, what's she about to say?" But I love how you said, how can it be invisible? How can it be,
right.
Don't take any of the time, because I'm still dealing with a human being in front of me. It's life. And
right.
regardless of what the people at the district office are requesting, that's still someone's child I have to tend to. I have to do my best at.
I'm curious, in video games, cheat codes let you skip months of grinding to unlock special abilities instantly. Have you ever wished for something similar for your software challenges? What if there's a way to instantly access 20 plus years of specialized expertise instead of developing it all internally? What if you could solve in weeks what might otherwise take months or years? Would you agree that most organizations face a steep learning curve when implementing new software solutions? At my company IIIMPACT, we serve as that cheat code for companies looking to transform complex software into intuitive experiences that users love and that drive real business results. Would it be valuable to explore? And how might this work for your specific situation? Visit impact.io for a free strategy session focused on your unique challenges.